In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the throttle body on this Audi A4. This happens to have the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine, and it's going to be located on the driver's side of the engine. Let's get into it. We're going to disconnect the battery. You may have a panel over here that you have to remove. This vehicle does not. On the negative side, we're going to use a 10mm wrench. Loosen up the nut, grab the terminal end, and slide it to the side. Remove the engine cover, just grab underneath, pick it up. Disconnect the connector right here, just push on the tab, slide that off. There's a connector right here, disconnect that connector, just push down, slide that off, out of the way. Loosen up this worm clamp here, use a 7mm socket. Grab the hose and just slide it down, out of the way. Using a T30 socket, we're going to take the bolts out. And grab the throttle body, slide it out. And we're just going to take the old seal out. Just pull that seal out. Take the new seal. There's a little tab right here. If you feel around, you can see where there's a cutaway. You want to line that tab up with that cutaway. And get the seal started all the way around. That's good. Take the throttle body, get it lined up, and get the bolt started. And I'll tighten the screws down. We're going to torque these bolts to 60 inch-pounds. All right, that's tight. Put the hose on and tighten down the hose clamp. Snug that down, give it a wiggle, that looks good. Take the connector, connect the connectors, lock it down. Now we're going to connect the battery, take the negative terminal, line it up, take the wrench, snug that down, give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight. And if you have that panel, you want to put that panel on top. At this time, you're going to have to do a throttle body relearn procedure using a scan tool. Just follow the directions on the scan tool and complete the procedure. And take the cover, line it up. Push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.